Hello teachers, this is Ratnadev Das, teacher A4 School Bagdogra. In this particular session, I'll be covering up how to make use of Paint as a virtual classroom or a blackboard to teach students. Teacher can present their screen and then after they can easily share Paint to make students understand in a better way. So those teachers who do not have blackboard with them or whiteboard with them during online teaching, they can easily make use of Paint as a tool to write or demonstrate something out to the student. So it can be easily done. So first of all, search Paint in computer. It's a free software and available in each and every computer. We don't have to install it in a separate way. As soon as Paint will get open, we will find it out. A white color screen will appear in front of us. This is called as workspace. In the similar way, we will be having pencil tool, paint bucket tool, text tool, eraser tool, magnifier tool and eyedropper tool with us. But in this particular session, we will be covering up how to make use of text tool to give notes or instruction to the student during online class. So let's click on to text tool over here. After clicking on to text tool, we can choose any color with which we want to continue with. Let's choose the color to red. Choose the position from where you want to start. Let's click at this particular position. Choose the size or font from here. Just click onto this option. The font dialog box will appear and choose the font with which you want to continue with. In the similar way, choose the size of your writing such that it can easily be seen during the online class. So first of all, just think about I want to take computer class for my students who are in class 5. So I can write it down computer class 5 and my chapter name is parts of computer. So I've already given instruction to student that I want to continue with this chapter. Let's underline it with the help of this tool. So at last I have written something at the top just similar to the blackboard or whiteboard. Then after I can start to give notes or some kind of important definition during my lecture of online classes. So I can easily put my cursor any position and I can increase the size of this box such that I can continue typing. I can choose or change color according to my wish. For example, in parts of computer, I want to discuss about input and output devices of computer. So I have given heading like this. After that, I want to continue with the notes. So input devices are the parts of computer that helps in inputting or feeding data in computer. I can either increase or lower down my size during my class. I can do it in this particular manner also. I can do it or I can adjust the size of the screen according to my choice by just lowering down the magnification as well as increasing or decreasing the rectangular box. In the similar way, I can continue with my answer. Examples: mouse, keyboard, scanners, etc. In the similar way, I can continue giving notes to my student during my online class as well as I can make student understand also. So this particular way can be make use of during online teaching such that student can get what the teacher is saying, because sometimes it actually happen the sound does not reach, but at least if teacher will be giving some kind of notes or written instruction to the student, then student can easily manage to get to what teacher is actually teaching. So this is the best way of continuing during online class. In the similar way, if a particular teacher want to make use of certain tools, for example, there are certain tools available like zoom in and zoom out. This tool can be used to increase or decrease the size. So sometimes it actually happens that a particular student or set of students cannot manage to see the screen properly. So it can be easily managed out with the help of zoom in or zoom out option. In the similar way, teacher can also make use of some kind of tools or pictures, or they can easily paste some picture during online classes also. Ctrl+V will work very fine in MS Paint. So picture demonstration can also be given to the student. They can also make use of shape tool to make student understand. In the similar way, teacher can also make use of marker to write something out. There is an option called marker, and we can easily choose the color that you want to continue with, and then after teacher can either tick or can focus to any important point